How to change Siri's voice. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change Siri's voice, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change Siri's voice, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all open up settings on your iPhone. Once you open up settings, you'll find Siri and search. So you want to simply go to Siri and search, and here you can see Siri voice. Now by default I have got American voice selected. If you want to select another one variety, you can change the accent from here, and you can change the voice from here. You have got up to 5 different voices. As soon as you select one, then you will be able to change the voice of your Siri app. This way you can change the voice of Siri or your assistant. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.